Exploration team, Scott Sheehan, another Sheehan exploration. I am in the Pacific Ocean, off the shores of Waikiki. We're gonna go swimming with the sea turtles. Let's have some fun. Talking up there, so real quick. I think about the sea turtles. We were told just before we started and jumped in that the sea turtles are no longer endangered, but they're still protected here in Hawaii, so we're not allowed to touch them. I was trying to keep a safe distance, but still trying to get close so you can see what they're all about. But again, can't touch them, so if you go out and do this, make sure you don't do that and you're friendly to your neighborhood sea animals. I hope you enjoyed snorkeling with the sea turtles. If you had fun, remember to like, share, and subscribe down below. In the meantime, you can catch me on my Instagram, Sheehan Explorations. Until the next time, have fun, guys.